Hi guys! Today we are learning how to post GIFs in Instagram comments. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Now scroll through the feed and open any reel or post where you want to send a gift in the comments. This can be any public post or reel that supports comment interactions. So just tap on one and open it normally. Next, tap on the comment icon below the post or reel. This will open the comments section where users can type replies and reactions. Here you'll be able to access the gift feature if it is available on your account. Now tap on the Add a Comment bar at the bottom of the screen. If the feature is available, you may see a gift or a sticker icon near the comment section. Tap on that icon to continue. Once you tap the gift icon, different gift or sticker options may appear. You can choose any available option you like. After selecting it, the gift will attach to your comment automatically. Finally, tap on the Send button to post your comment with the selected gift. Your gift or sticker will now appear in the comments section of that reel or post. So in this way, you can easily send GIFs in Instagram comments. And that's how you can post GIFs in Instagram comments step by step. It's a fun way to interact with posts and make your comments more interesting. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.